Hi, I haven't seen you for a while. Cars are waiting for you. The police car is out of order. Let's repair it. The car has a flat tire. It's not safe to drive like this. We need to inflate it. Come, let's do it. Connect the pump to the electrical system of the car. Tap on the car outlet. Now we need to connect the pump hose to the valve stem of the car. Tap on the pump hose. Great! Now turn on the pump and inflate the tire. Tap on the pump to turn it on. We did it! Now we can turn off the pump. Tap on the pump to turn it off. Well done! All that's left is to get the hose out and we can set off. Now the police car is repaired and ready to patrol. The police car is out of order. Let's repair it. The car has a punctured tire. We can't move on with it. It needs to be changed. Let's get to work right away. At first, we need to open the trunk. Tap on the trunk to open it. Now we need to lift the floor of the trunk to take out the spare wheel. Tap on the floor of the trunk to lift it. Tap on the spare wheel to take it from the trunk. First, we need to put the car on the parking brake so that it does not roll away accidentally. Tap on the parking brake. Great! Now, when the wheels of the car are secured, we need to lift the car with a jack. Start by dragging the jack to its place. We did it! Tap on the jack to lift the car. Tap on the jack. Tap on the bolts to unscrew them. Let's take the old wheel off. Tap on the wheel to take it off. Drag the new wheel to its place. Now drag the bolts onto the wheel to screw them. Well done! Tap on the jack to lower the car. Now the police car is repaired and ready to patrol. Get a subscription to continue playing. Let us repair. Firefighting helicopter. Hooray, you've got a new block. Let's install it right now. Tap the block to install it. Ambulance. Lifeboat. Fire truck. Let us repair. Firefighting helicopter. Police car. Fire truck. Ambulance. Let us repair. Lifeboat. Ambulance. Firefighting helicopter. fire truck. Let us repair. Lifeboat. Firefighting helicopter. Ambulance. Police car. Let us repair. Lifeboat.